This is the CarrierBox. It's a sturdy construction, yet fast to assemble. Let me show you how that works. Fold back along the scored center line. Then lift up the long sides to create the box shape. Fold down the flaps that reinforce the short sides, making sure that the small tabs are inserted in the cutout holes. Then we put the product inside and close the box by folding in the side flaps removing the release paper and pressing to create the seal with the hot melt strip. When the package arrives, the consumer simply opens it with a tear strip. And their product is inside. Should they want to make a return, they remove the second release paper and expose the hot melt strip and close the box. CarrierBox. Sturdy, yet fast to assemble, and an appealing one-piece tray lid design.